Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Barber Master. Guys, in this video we have compiled crispiest hair lineup transformation. If you are looking for some craziest haircut transformation for those who got some receding hairline, I think you are in the right place. In this video we have compiled lots of perfect and crispiest shape of line haircut transformation. So don't skip this video, watch this video to learn and enjoy. As you can see, this guy has some overgrowth hair on hairline and he got perfect shape of line. That was literally flawless transformation. Yeah, that was craziest hair lineup fixed. We're moving the next one and another one. He got crispiest shape of line with low tapper. Here is the final product and he got the crispiest shape of line hair transformation. We are moving the next one. Yeah, that was clean, that was neat. Wow. Oh my god, just look at this one. This guy got perfect mid fade with crispiest shape of hairline, and that's flawless. That's perfect. Lovely. If you got any issue according to your hairline and you are looking for some smart idea to get perfect shape of line, I think this video gonna resolve your problem. This video gonna give you a next idea for you to get a right haircut idea according to your hairline. So don't skip this video, watch this video till then you will get the right haircut idea for you. Yeah, he just, he tried 3 hours to get a haircut from Leo Blends. I will mention this barber. Yes, you can also visit that barber. Don't forget to comment your area. Like if you are luckily near this barber, I think you have to book your appointment and get a perfect haircut like this. Wow, that was sharp, that was clean. The skin fade with the crispiest shape of line. Yeah, that's great. He got some afro and that lineup looks pretty. Bam. Short and sharp. Yes, sir. Ooh, that looks pretty handsome. The high barrel fade with perfect shape of line. Yeah, it's worth it to get a haircut from Leo Blends. As you can see, this guy has some light corner, and this barber just kind of saved that guy. Wow, there is no enhancement work, all natural, and it looks pretty handsome. We are repeating that haircut to just make sure that you have learned something from this video. So I think you should learn, like if you're a barber or a struggling barber, or you're a client and you got some black spot issue, you have to watch this video very closely and get some idea to how to prevent black spot from a natural way. Oh my god, this fella got perfect shape of line, and that looks pretty handsome on that guy. We got another overgrowth and some cowlick at the same time, and let's see what's gonna happen. That's great, that's cool. We got another big chops. Here we go. All natural, no enhancement work. And that was flawless. That was pretty handsome. And anyways, look at this one. This guy have some overgrowth hairline issue, and let's see what's gonna happen. Is that barber gonna save that guy or not? That was literally flawless. Yeah, he's very desperate. But this barber just gonna save you. Yeah. He just saved you. Appreciate that. Appreciate that work. That was literally flawless transformation, and this barber just saved him, and he got perfect buzz cut with crispiest shape of line, and that was the last cut. I hope you had enjoyed, guys. Thank you so much for watching videos. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification to get update for every upcoming uploads.